mob trial. Gambino crime family versus the people of YoWorld. Members of the Gambino crime family were indicted on numerous charges. Among those charges were being part of a criminal organization known as La Cosa Nostra, conspiracy to drug trafficking, extortion, tax illegal gambling and commit murder and many more. Giovanni Gambino, the boss of the Gambino crime family, was charged on ordering the murder of Jake Williams, Ronald and Peter Waters, Jeremy Tollefson and Carlo Lombardo. After Gambino got arrested, the police went to arrest other members of the family. Raymond Bonpensiero, the consigliere of the crime family, was charged for conspiring and murdering Ronald and Peter Waters. The murder took place in Vegas in a casino known as the Lady Luck Casino. The Waters brothers were known as pedophiles and were trafficking babies on the streets of YoWorld. Taccone Maineri, a member from the Rhode Island faction, was charged for murdering Jake Williams outside Moore Street in Rhode Island. Jake was also known as a pedophile on the streets, and he had to go according to Gambino. Roger Battalion, a member from the Manhattan faction, was charged for murdering Jeremy Tollefson. The murder took place in Giulina's pork store in Harlem after Jeremy was caught planting a wire ordered by the Federal Bureau. Jeremy's body was later dumped at a fishing site at the Yo Beach. Carmine Rizzuto and Anthony Moltisanti, members of the North Jersey faction, was charged for murdering Carlo Lombardo. The murder took place outside Carlo's home at Albertstadt in New Jersey. Carlo was gunned down for many reasons. He was known as a racist, sexist and also homophobic and many more. He was planning to take over the Gambino crime family, but it didn't turn out so well. Carlo's body was later dumped in Jersey docks. The trial underwent with the lawyers of the Justice Court of YoWorld, Richard Solomon, making his statement that Gambino and his members are a bunch of criminals, heartless stone-cold killers. Members of the crime family were represented by a family lawyer, Charles Atkins, who from the family of the Atkins, who were known for representing the Gambino crime family, third generations previously, due to countless witness and CCTV footages, images and videos. The Gambinos wasn't getting out of this one. The judge sentenced Gambino 20 years with no parole. Bonpensiero was sentenced also 20 years with no parole. Maineri, Battalion, Rizzuto and Moltisanti was sentenced to 10 years with no parole. Is this the end of the so-called feared crime family? Is it not? That's all for tonight. Stay tuned on New York Times of YoWorld for more news. Thank you.